Hey guys, welcome back to extrudesign.com. In this video, we are going to discuss about different manufacturing processes. Producing a product from raw material involves a number of operations. These all operations comes under the manufacturing processes. The knowledge of manufacturing process is the backbone of engineering. The following are the different manufacturing processes in mechanical engineering. The first one is casting, molding, forming, machining, and joining. These are the main manufacturing processes in the mechanical engineering that every design engineer should have the knowledge in depth. Let us go with one by one with more details. First one is casting. Casting is nothing but pouring a molten metal into the molds. The molds are a mold is a hollow shape that gives a shape to the poured molten metal. This shape will be the final shape of the component what we want to make. These hollow shapes will be prepared with the help of patterns or the model of the final component. The different steps involved in casting processes are preparing the molds using the patterns, pouring the molten metal into the mold cavity, allow the cast to solidify, removing the casting component from the molds. This is how casting components are prepared. For example, crankshafts, connecting rods, engine blocks, gearbox housing are prepared from casting. There are different casting types available. They are sand casting, permanent mold casting, and die casting. Sand casting is where the molds are prepared with the sand, whereas permanent mold casting where the molds are metallic objects, with die casting forcing the molten metal into molds with heavy pressure. This is all about casting. The next one is molding. Molding is the process of making objects by shaping liquid or pliable raw material using mold. Something similar to casting, right? But really, they are not same. Molding is the manufacturing process of non-metallic objects when further machining is not required. But casting refer to the metallic objects where further machining is required. This is the main difference between casting and molding. Examples of molding are household plastic components such as the bottles, toys, water tanks, and buckets. These all components are made from molding. There are different molding methods available. The first one is injection molding, blow molding, compression molding, and rotational molding. These are the 4 different molding methods. We have discussed these molding methods in a separate video. Please check the description for the video link. And the next one is forming. In this forming process, the metallic objects are subjected to heavy loads for a permanent deformation without adding or removing the metal. And this forming process is operating on the plastic deformation of material. Hence, the objects are permanently deformed. Examples are some of the components need further machining, some are not required, like wires, tubes, which made by extrusion forming processes. The forming process has different categories based on applied loads. Those are compressive forming, tensile forming, and bending and shearing. These are the different forming processes. And the next one is machining. Machining is a material removal process where the raw material is converted into desired final object with required dimensions. This type of material removal process is called subtractive manufacturing. In this process, there are many operations involved. Some of them are listed below: turning, milling, and drilling. In recent times, additive manufacturing is populating. So do you know what is additive manufacturing? Instead of material removal process, by adding the material layer by layer to make the components out of raw material under the computer control is known as additive manufacturing. 3D printing is the current populated additive manufacturing process. This is a little bit about machining, and the next one is joining. Joining of components together either by permanently or temporarily is an essential task to build machines. Joining of two components together can be done with help of following operations, either permanently or temporarily. First one is welding, brazing, soldering, additive bonding, and fastening. Welding, brazing, soldering, and additive bonding are permanent joining methods, whereas fastening is a temporary joining method. These are the different manufacturing processes. Please let us know what you think about this in the comment section below. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you will get notified when we post a new video.